Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will dive into the world of data transformation and feature engineering techniques. These powerful techniques allow us to reshape and enrich our data for better analysis. So let's get started. So data transformation involves converting data from one format or structure to another. Pandas provide numerous functions to facilitate data transformation tasks. So let's see an example. So this is my data frame, the usual data frame which I used in my previous video. If you have not watched my previous videos, I would request you to watch my previous videos into this Pandas series. So this is here I am creating the Pandas data frame, and here I am printing the data frame. So this is my data frame. Now I'll move ahead. So into this example, we divide the income column by 1000. We are transforming the values from dollars to thousands of dollars. So data transformation allows us to adjust the scale or units of our data for easier analysis. So I'll run this code. So it is a simple code, just I'm dividing the income column and assigning back to the income column. So it will change only the income column, it will format. So if you can see here, this is the output. Now moving ahead, feature engineering involves creating new features or transforming existing features to extract meaningful information. So let's explore an example of feature engineering using Pandas. In this code, if you see here, let me open here. Yeah, in this code, we created a new feature called age group. Okay, we assigned, before that, based on age ranges, by using pd.cut function, we assigned each age into a category, allowing us to analyze age group more effectively. So here I have used pd.cut function, and I'm assigning I'm using the age column, where I'm providing the information that between 0 to 30 you should provide young, and between 30 to 50 you should the code should provide the adult. Okay, so this is what we are doing right now here. This is called a feature engineering also. So if I'll run this code, so I'll have the formatted data frame, and you can see here for 25-30 it is young, and 35-40 and 40-45 it is adult. So this is a very useful function in the pd.cut, where we need to bucketize something. Okay, so let's move further. Apart from numerical data, we can also perform feature engineering on textual data. Let's see an example of textual feature engineering using Pandas. So in this example, we extracted the first letter of each name column and created a new feature called first initials. This allows us to capture initial as a category feature for further analysis. So I'll run this code. So you can see here we have the feature initial column here. So data transformation and feature engineering are essential steps in preparing our data for analysis, whether it is adjusting the scale, creating new feature, or extracting meaningful information from text. Pandas provide a wide range of functions to help us accomplish these tasks. That includes today's episode of 3 Minutes Pandas series. Stay tuned for more exciting topic. Happy coding.